Are you ready to level up your coding skills while having some fun? Let me introduce to you Advent of Code. If you're unfamiliar with Advent of Code, it's an annual event that runs from December 1st to the 25th. Each day, a new coding puzzle unlocks. As you can see it counting down there for day 8. And it is designed to challenge, it's designed to challenge and improve your problem-solving skills. The puzzles have a fun storyline and require creative thinking to solve. Let me show you how it works. Let's go into day 7 because I haven't completed that. And you'll see that every day consists of 2 parts. And you solve these by writing code to process the given input and produce the correct output. Now you can use any language you want. It doesn't matter. The only thing they want is your response. You're going to put your answer down here at the bottom, submit it. If it's correct, great, you move on to part 2, and if it's not, come back and try again. And you get an example. These puzzles range from beginner friendly, especially in the beginning of the month, to mind-bendingly hard, usually towards the end of the challenge, and that's what makes it exciting. You never know what's coming next. Now, if we jump on over, it does have a leaderboard. People participate in the Advent of Code for all sorts of reasons. Some enjoy the friendly competition, others want to sharpen their problem-solving skills, and plenty of people use it as a way to practice coding in a language they're trying to learn. I've known quite a few people doing this in the past. Then there's also this leaderboard, as you can see here. And if you're the first person to answer or solve the problem, you get 100 points. If you're second, you get 99, third, 98, fourth, 97, fifth, 96. Did I skip that? No, sorry, 96, and then 95, 94, and so on, all the way down. So you'll only ever get the top 100 people, because anything after that, if you're not one of the first 100 people to solve that puzzle, you get 0 points. Now, I usually do these or solve these hours later, and unless you're up in the middle of the night, that'll probably be you as well. But that's just how it is with these things. All right, we have a leaderboard, so obviously it's going to be jumping on to do it immediately. And here's the thing, it's not just for software developers. If you're into game development, Advent of Code can help give you a fresh insight into algorithms and problem solving that may make your game even better, and could just force you to go out and learn new things just in general. This year, I'm tackling Advent of Code purely in GDScript, the scripting language for the Godot engine, of course. And all of my solutions are public, of course, here on GitHub, so you can always come through, check them out, maybe see how difficult some of these challenges are, since you're only going to get the answer if you actually ran the code. But if you just want to come in, take a look, and see, oh, this is what day 1 is like, not too bad, this is what day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on, then it might help give you an idea of what some of the easier days will look like with Advent of Code. So this is something that you can easily check out and follow along. It's also a fun way to explore how GDScript can handle challenges like this. Now, if we jump on over here to the Twitch side, if you're curious to see how other people approach these puzzles, I highly recommend checking out streams like Crystal Mess here, Crystal_Mess 323. If I just come out there, you can see the name right there, middle of our screen ish. And watching someone else solve these puzzles, especially live, is a fantastic way to help you with learning new techniques, gain a fresh perspective, and see problem solving and approaches from the perspective of someone else, right? Because I might approach it one way, you might have the idea of approaching another way, and then Crystal Mess here might be approaching in a completely separate way. You never know. And by seeing people do that, it might make you think, make you expand in the way that you think about or approach a problem in the future. So the only thing I can do is really benefit you and make you a better developer in the end. And their streams usually start somewhere between 10 and 10:30 a.m. Pacific, and usually run for somewhere in the 3 to 4 hour range. So if you're on the East Coast, then that'll be 1 p.m., somewhere between 1 and 1:30 p.m. For you. I'm going to jump right back over here to the admin side. So whether you're solving puzzles yourself, learning a new programming language, or just watching, Advent of Code is a fantastic way to grow your skills. And I hope this inspires you to dive in and give it a try. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time. And don't forget to leave a comment down below if maybe you're tackling this in another language or there's something that you want to see specifically. Of course, we're getting closer to the new year where I'll be asking you guys all that stuff as well. For you guys to just leave them all in the video. We can take a look at it. But anyway, I'm going to start rambling on. So take care. Have yourselves a good one. I'll see you guys in the next one.